Today I will show how to buy shares of BellRing Brands Inc., a consumer packaged goods company focused on protein and nutrition products, traded on NASDAQ under the ticker BRBR. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy BRBR, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BRBR to find BellRing Brands Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that shows recent market action. Confirm the company name and ticker to make sure this is the correct listing. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade completes. After the order fills, your BRBR position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for a link to the platform if you want to explore further.